Hello and welcome back to the 30-day guitar challenge where we are learning how to play this instrument from scratch. We've already learned some chords, some strumming patterns, so now let's learn a little bit of finger picking. With our finger picking hand, we are going to use different names for the fingers. So we will refer to the thumb as P or pulgar. I is for the index, índice. M is the middle finger or medio. And A, anular. We really won't use the pinky chico or C. We won't use that. So all you have to remember is P, I, M, A. Going over to our strings, the highest sounding one, your thinnest string, that is going to be string 1. String 1 is the thinnest, highest. Next it's string 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 until you get to the lowest sounding string. So I'll have it here on the screen listed, and then in your free printable you also have the string names and the finger names. And remember, you have a free printable that I've created for you to access and use alongside with the video lessons. For our first finger picking pattern, we will use string 6, 3, 2, 1. 6, 3, 2, 1. Thumb, index, middle, ring. P, I, M, A. I'm holding an E minor. P, I, M, A. P, I, M, A. Shake off the hand. Go to an E minor with your index and middle fingers, okay? Index and middle fingers on the fretboard. And you're going to give me 6, 3, 2, 1, 4 times. One more time. And next I want you to switch to a C chord, but remember our C chord, we're not supposed to use string 6. So that thumb is instead going to pick on string 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1. One more time. Now pause. We're going to go back to that E minor and the thumb goes back to string 6. Ready? Go. And remember, you can look down at your guitar as you're doing these switches, but what I don't want is for you to change the guitar position to look at it. Look, 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 look. I don't want you doing this with your instrument. This is going to be really bad for both hands. So put the guitar in the correct position and your head can tilt to look. Okay, so without pausing, we're going to do E minor and C 4 times on that chord pattern. So go to an E minor with the index and middle. The reason I want the index is middle is so that you can go to C chord and not change the middle finger. The middle finger can stay for both chords. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. C chord next. Make sure you're on string 5 now. 5, 3, 2. 2 more times. Last time. Switch back to E minor, string 6. Yeah. Look at your hand. Make sure the thumb is on top. Make sure it's not the other way around. Give me one more of these. One last one. Yeah. Switch to C. Look at my hand, please. And check yours. I almost lost it there. And one last more on E minor. Ooh, that's a workout. That's a workout. For today's homework, you have several things to do. 1, memorize our finger names. 2, memorize your string names. And 3, memorize today's first finger picking pattern. This is super important. I don't like to give so much homework, but I did today just because I know that this is like a really fun new challenge for us to get into. And in the next video, we're going to do finger picking patterns with chords and songs. So do today's homework so that you're ready for the next one.